In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in just 15 minutes using Squarespace step by step. Let's dive right into it and get started with a simplistic yet powerful tool to bring your web design ideas to life. To begin, head over to Squarespace's website and ensure you're logged into your account. Having an account set up means you're already halfway there. Once you're in and looking at your home page, you'll want to find your profile icon. You'll typically see this at the top right corner. Click on your profile to take your first step towards website creation. Now, you'll want to select the option that says Create Website. This is where the magic begins. Squarespace will now prompt you to give some context about your site, asking you what your site is all about. Take a moment to think about the core purpose of your website. Is it a portfolio, a blog, or perhaps an online store? Select the option that best fits your vision, then simply click Next to continue. As you're guided through these prompts, you'll next choose what you want to do with your website. This is essentially the core function or goal of your site. Make sure whatever you select aligns with what you set out in your goals. For instance, if your intention is to promote a business, choose options that support that. Once again, once you've made your choice, click Next. Next up, you'll decide how you'd like to start building your website. Squarespace gives you multiple options, but for today's demonstration, we're going to select Choose a Template. Templates are a great way to kickstart your website's design without having to build everything from scratch, as they're pre-designed packages with options for customization. Take some time to browse through the variety of template designs available. Each template serves a different style and purpose. Once you find one that speaks to you, click on it, then hit Start with this design. Now that you have a template, it's time to bring it to life. Click on Edit Site to enter the editing interface. Here, you can personalize all aspects of your web page. Click Edit to begin making your adjustments. You can tweak the overall design, text, images, and much more to your liking. If you'd like to focus on specific areas, you can edit the site header, giving your website that personal touch. Furthermore, Squarespace features an Add Block tool, a fantastic feature that allows you to add various content blocks like text, images, or even contact forms. Feel free to explore these options and tailor your site with them as you see fit. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save to secure all your hard work. And that's it. You've just built a website using Squarespace in under 15 minutes. With these tools, and through a bit of experimentation, you'll be able to give your site the unique flair it deserves. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring.